As I was thinking about decorating for fall this year, I was looking through everything that I had, and I was trying to think of some ways to have bigger pieces to create more of a transformative autumn wonderland instead of having like small wreaths and stuff. How I was thinking, like, how can I make it bigger? And then I had the idea to just pull out a Christmas tree and turn it into like an autumn harvest Christmas tree? Not Christmas tree, autumn harvest tree. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna pull out a Christmas tree. I have a whole bunch of fall stuff. This is what I have. I went the budget option. I went to the dollar store and I got a whole bunch of different things. And obviously I'll repurpose some stuff that I already had. Like I have some foliage, different texture here that I might use for the tree. But the first step is to turn the Christmas tree into like maple tree. Put a whole bunch of foliage in that tree to kind of give it a facelift before we go in with the rest of the pieces. And I've decided that the spot for the tree will be on this table here and take up the middle of the window. I closed the curtains right now so that the image is not backlit, but this is where it goes. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. I just need the final touches, and I put a whole bunch of lights as well in there. I'm gonna do the final touches and then I'm gonna light it. I have to say that in my fully realized vision, initially I wanted real pumpkins, like a whole bunch of pumpkins at the bottom, on the floor, everywhere, pumpkin explosion. I do like the cozy knitted pumpkins though, so I might just go with it. Maybe put a candle besides it or something, but I think it looks pretty nice. By the way, I mentioned where I got the stuff in my last haul. This was from Home Sense. Most of the stuff in the tree was from the dollar store. Like all the garlands, dollar store. The little mushrooms, how precious are those? From the dollar store. And then I had other bits that I already had, but a lot of it was from the dollar store, so... Alright, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the evening with all the fairy lights. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.